Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to switch the keycaps on the Kemove Snowfox 61. In the bag, there's gonna be two types of clips, and the clip we're gonna be using is the one with the longer stems, which is the keycap puller. Now, when you're removing the keycap, you use the keycap puller and put it over the left and right sides of the keycap, and you pull it up. Now, to take out the switch, you're going to use the top and bottom tabs on the switch puller and line them up with the top and bottom tabs on the switch. You're going to push in, top and bottom, and pull it out. Here's the tabs on the switch. There's the top tab, there's the bottom tab. Then you just reverse the process to put on the new keycaps. Let's see, this one is escape. On the next video, I'm going to be clipping the stabilizers and putting fabric tape on the stabilizers.